Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video and welcome new subscribers. I appreciate you subscribing. Just for future reference, I do offer giveaways from time to time and hidden giveaways as well. And I also offer free SVG files. Please visit my playlist under SVG files. Every video will have a file under that playlist. So let's get into it, you guys. Today's video is a design team project with Bead Craft Babe, and this is her information right there. And I will link the video of me unboxing her subscription membership. And you guys, oh my goodness, this little box of happiness that you get from her is amazing. This is my first time making princess characters and also my first time making Belle. So I went all out and decided to make an embellishment box. So here it is, you guys. I made a chunky charm right here on the upper right hand corner. You guys, these chunky charms go for about $45 plus tax, and I still had enough left over after that subscription box. So I just want to give you an idea of what's in this box because it's way more items that you get for the price. So the price for the box is roughly $45 or $46. With the subscription, you do get $7 off automatically. You could also use my discount code. It will be linked below. It's only good for non-sale items, so just keep that in mind. This is very inspired by princess themed. Right here I have this cut out with my silhouette, and then I have this red ribbon around, and then I also made some roses, and those roses were made with this die right here. I picked it up from Amazon. There's the number. So those are a glitter foam, you guys. This is what I used for those, and the middles are those little glittered foam balls as well. So let's get into it. I'm so excited, you guys. So I even painted my nails for this, added some flowers, so we got the whole theme going. I love it. So yeah, we need the vibes. We need the vibes going, you guys. Happy vibes. So let's go ahead and get into it. You guys, look. Oh my goodness. I love how this turned out, you guys. I made a lid for this. It's just, you know, a lid. You can barely see it, but it's made from some foil cardstock, 80-pound cardstock. And so I made the lid. The bottom portion is an SVG file. I will have it linked below. It's a Lori Whitlock file. And I'm thinking of having either a giveaway or an auction for this. I still have to check with Evelyn to see what I'm able to do. So, but I think it came out so beautiful that cannot be just sitting in my closet. This has to go to someone, whether you pay for it or whether it's given away. Let's get into the roses first. So again, they are just, you know, your old-fashioned roses, but vamped up with some foam, glitter foam. So very vamped up, and it goes with a theme right here. So okay, so next let's get into this Pokey tool. I love this, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna move this over so we could take a good look at this. So here it is. Look, how beautiful is this? These are all the charms you get right here. Well, let me get, since these are so small, I'm gonna use these little tweezers, and they have glue on them, of course. Okay, so you get this already in the subscription along with the princess charm. So you get the rose in a glass, and then you get one rose that is just hanging, and then you get a little shoe right there, a little slipper. I love it, you guys. and then you could unhook this. I made it to where you could unhook it in case whoever gets this, they want to take this off and use it for somebody else. So pretty, you guys. I love it, you guys. And I took that off also so we could take a look at this crown. So in the subscription box, you get this crown right here. And it's not a charm. I did have to glue this on, and I did use my glossy accent. Okay. So this bead right here does not come in the subscription box, but this one was gifted to me, I believe, by DV Love. Thank you so much, girl. She sent me this red bead with some gold, which went so amazing with this. And then in the subscription, you do get the yellow. You don't get the blue, but this is Evelyn's bead as well. These bows come from Amazon. I will have them linked below. Again, the blue bead is Evelyn's. You can see if she has it available. She is still putting stuff up on her shop, and she is currently making a comeback, and so bear with her. She also, the yellow is also hers. This bead was, I believe, in a winning, so I just added it there. And then the yellow bead right here on the bottom is also Evelyn's, and that came in one of my design team packs. And then I added this foam right here just to give it some some character in the box so you could see it and it could stand out, and it just looks so professional, you guys. I love this box so much. Man, I would buy one if I saw it. I would definitely buy one. They look so professional. Let's get into this little jar. So right here on the bottom, I did have the red glitter there. So this little jar right here is from Amazon. I did put this Sweet Story bow on it, and then I had this paper from Hobby Lobby. It's a kit, and it's a princess kit as well. And so I glued it on here and added some eyelash trim that was gifted to me by Crafting with Fury. Thank you, Diane. And if she's watching, not sure if she watches my videos, but. And inside here we have some donuts, and this comes in the pack, and also these plastic rings here that you could make into charms. So I did add glossy accents to the back, and so they're all glued on there, and you get all of those in here. So very beautiful. I love it so much, you guys. I love the donuts, and you'll see how I use the donuts in a bit here. I'm gonna put these in and close up the lid. Okay, so next right here at the very bottom are these bubble gum beads right here. And what I did here was I've been working on this for a whole week, you guys. And so I was hoping to be the first one to come up with this, but I wasn't. And you know, sometimes we come up with the same things at the same time. And I recently watched Lacey's video. And she mentioned to use floral wrapping for wire wrapping. So, oh my God, Lacey. So I'm not sure if she watches, but this is what I did. I wanted something very obnoxious because it is a character, you know, it's the cartoon character. And so I wanted something obnoxious. And so I used this floral gold wire on these beads and made a cage bead. If you want to learn how to make a cage bead, head on over to Pretty Little Things, and I will have her link below. I believe she has a tutorial on that. But so beautiful. I did mine different because these are not your regular wire. So I did this obnoxious as well. So it's super obnoxious. I love the wrapping, you guys. It's so beautiful, especially for this princess character. So see, this one I did different as well. So let's move on, you guys. Okay, so next is this chunky charm. And you guys, I want you guys to see what I did here. I love how the bottom came out. Let's look at the bottom first. So if you can see right here, look at that. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably noticed tons of sneak peeks that I've been hinting at, and I love this. Look, this, the crown comes in the subscription. The glass clear bead also comes in the subscription box. You get some rings as well in there, and then this charm right here with the princess. So let's get into the rest. So right here at the bottom, I have gold beads, and these are from Hobby Lobby. They come in a pack. If they have a link, I will link it below. Hobby Lobby, and then there's that rose that we had. So I had put these two on, and then this yellow bead comes in the subscription as well. And then there is the teapot. I forget the name. I need to watch the recent Beauty and the Beast movie, so I need to watch that. So this blue, I have hints of blue in here, and that is Evelyn's bead, and so I included it there. Okay, next up here we have the glass beads. These are made of like a 3-layer one, and this comes in the box as well. I love this bead, you guys. It is a matte yellow bead, and I used it at the bottom here. It goes so good with the crown. Love that. I do want to mention that gluing this crown onto a bead was not my idea. We have an Instagram group with Design Team Girls with Beadcraft Babe, and I had asked them if anyone has looked into the subscription box when we got it a week ago, because I hadn't seen it yet and I was dying to look in the box, but I couldn't make a video. And so Poochie was so gracious and nice to send me her video, and I watched it, and she mentioned this. So I'm not sure if I would have came up with it eventually, but she said it. It was in my head, so I had to do it. So thank you so much, Poochie, for that. And yeah, I like to give credit where credit is due. You guys know that I don't take anything for myself. So rude. So right here is another bead, and I added these hints of red in there as well. I didn't want the charm to have too much red, so I added those as you know, for the red. And these charms are from Amazon. I will have them linked below. Next we have the heel right here on the gold, and so pretty. These bead caps I picked up from Hobby Lobby as well. This bead right here comes in the subscription. I added it with 2 glass beads, and then the head pin comes with the box as well. This yellow one comes in the subscription as well, and I just added 2 gold beads at the bottom. Next is another heart and gold bead. This one is the candle. I forget his name again. Should have did my homework, but I wanted to get this out so fast. So here it is right here. He's so cute. I love his little face. So adorable. And then again, 3-layer bead. This also comes in the subscription. And then next is a red heart that's just hanging there by itself. And I love this rose, you guys. How beautiful is this rose? So pretty. I love it on that gold bead. A hint of blue again with the heart. And then we are at the top. This keychain lobster clasp also comes in a subscription. I like to lay it to where the pieces are showing, especially the princess. I love her so much. She's so pretty. Okay, the last bit here are these, which you get all of these in the pack. And again, I did the floral wire wrap with this bead right here. I love the obnoxious in your face thick look of the wire, especially with the character of Disney's you know what I mean. Can't say it, princess. So, and then I added the donut, and then I added the star, and I added a I forgot what they're called. And then this little tiny clasp right here comes as well in your kit. So pretty. So you have the red and pink with the yellow and orange. And I also added blue. I thought the blue went very well with the red, and it has pink in it. Love it. It's made the same way. I love the wiring, you guys. I love it. Okay, so I made those. And then I made some others so you guys can get an idea of what you can make. You can make these cute little tassels, miniature tassels to add to your miniature things like memory decks, miniature albums, just all your mini stuff. I love it. Look how pretty that is. This ribbon right here was gifted to me by Angela, Love Pink Dragonflies, and it came from Dollarama. It is a mesh glitter, and I thought the glitter looked so well with this. So, and you get the clasp, and you get the jump rings, and in the charm in the subscription box. Okay, so next is this right here. I had to do it, you guys. I had to make some tassels out of the foam. I just had to do it, you guys. It had to be done. So there's a little teapot, and in red and in glitter, so it just pops. All the characters pop. There's a star. The star comes in the box, in the kit, and so this is the clasp and the chain as well. So pretty, you guys. And the last one is in here as well, and with this one I added the crown to the top. Let's get this out, guys. I had to fiddle with it a bit. Okay, there we go. So here it is. Here it is. Here is this character here. The tassel has the crown on the top and a star along with a chain. And I looped the chain to come from one side to the next, and it's only 3 loops, so you can't really tell. So it's very subtle. And then you get the clasp as well in the kit. But it's so beautiful, you guys. I love how the red makes all the characters pop, but so pretty. So that is it right there. This is my design team project with Bead Craft Babe. Hopefully you guys will check her out and stay tuned if I'm able to do a auction with this or a giveaway. One of the 2 will happen, and I will talk to Evelyn about that. So you guys, thank you so much for sticking around. If you stuck around for this long, say in the comments, I love Belle. Say I love Belle, and I will appreciate you so much. Thank you for watching. Again, don't forget free SVG files in the playlist under SVG files. And you guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.